Hi everyone, this video will teach you how to use Cool Home for after render effects. I guess many people will overlook this feature in Cool Home because the entry is a little bit difficult to find. Here we can go to the gallery to look for all your renderings and see the button at the bottom of each render. Click in the expanded menu to beautify. You can enter the picture edit window. Then you will see it on the screen. There is a one-touch beautify button where you could give it a try to see how photos can be automatically beautified with the system. Then, click the contrast button at the top of the screen. By pressing on the button, you can compare the image before and after. And also, if you're not happy with the one-click beautification effect, image settings can be manually adjusted here below. Here you can adjust the parameter for brightness, contrast, sharpness, color temperature, and so on. There are also some top hats effects that you can apply to acquire some special and dramatic effects. Besides, there are some additional features on the left. For example, by cutting the image, you can modify the photo to the perfect composition that you want. Then there is the watermark function. You can also enter your own name as a custom watermark and place it wherever you want on the image. There is also a button that enables you to adjust the depth of field to define the blur length of the photo, which you can give it a try, then you would understand easily. Once you've edited, you can choose to save the edited images or save it as a new one. Last but not least, I would like to remind everyone that you can render any image in Cool Home and also download the channel map if you would like to do some further Photoshop work. Alright, that's all about how to use the beautifying pictures feature in Cool Home. Thank you all and see you next time.